How's it going, everybody? My name is Killer Turkey, and today we are back on, you guessed it, the Kawasaki Ninja. Today I wanted to go over kind of the unwritten biker rules that I have noticed in my 2.5, almost 3 months of riding. The biker community, despite what you may believe, is a lot friendlier than the car community. You wave at each other like everyone waves. I haven't seen one person that hasn't waved at me yet, and it's not because, oh hey, you're on a bike, you're my friend. It's more because it's like a respect thing, like, yeah, you got on a bike, I got on a bike, don't die, is basically what that wave is. It's not a, hey man, we're friends, that's cool. It's a respect for each other. Respect brings me right into my second part, and that is, don't touch someone else's bike, okay? Like, if you ask, hey man, can I check this out? And they say yeah, then it's fine, but don't just walk up, you see someone's bike parked, don't just walk up and be like, oh, this is cool, I'm gonna grab this right here, or whatever, you know, it's, you gotta have some respect for other people's things. Bikers seem to like and be friendly towards all the bikers. And the only one that everyone can agree on to not be friendly towards seems to be the moped. I mean, they're bikes, but they're not bikes. One thing that's awesome about being on a bike compared to being in a car, whenever you're in the front of the line, you can just punch it and be at, for me it's going to be 35 miles an hour. You can be up to your 35 mile an hour mark in like 2 seconds. Assuming you launch right. There was 35, and now we're at a red light. Does anyone know what that squeaking sound my bike's making is? It's been making that sound for a couple days now. Another thing about bikers is related more towards the sport bikes. And it's, do not stunt your bike on the streets. You give the rest of us a bad name. Even, like, it's just the sport bikes that tend to do the most stunting. And they're giving all other sport bikes, cruiser bikes, dual sports, everyone, they're giving us all a bad name. So please, quit stunting on the streets. It is so, it's annoying. Ooh, that was like the smoothest downshift I've ever done. Hell yeah. Let's get some. And you guys might be getting wind noise right now, and if you are, I apologize. So I'm going to kind of switch off topic, or off the topic of the unwritten biker code for a second. And it's, what do you do if you're stuck behind a semi? You know, just real quick. If you're stuck behind a semi, give him a good amount of space. He's going to be flicking up rocks off the road. He's going to be, you know, just give him some space. If you have time and he for some reason slows down below the speed limit, then yeah, go ahead and pass him. But if not, just give him some space and enjoy your time on the road, man. For being in a desert, and a lot of people think deserts are so bland because there's no trees, and obviously you're right, there aren't any trees here. But you gotta admit, there is a lot of color. Watch this. This guy's gonna wave at me. We're doing the little bob and weave. See? I don't know that guy. I'm not friends with that guy. It is a respect thing. We're both on two wheels. That's all it is. So you just get out here. Your body needs to be loose. Your body needs to be loose, but your mind needs to stay tight. Riding a motorcycle is not a very hard physical thing to do if you ever rode a bicycle. But it is kind of difficult if it's kind of physically demanding if you're going on a very long trip. If you're not going on a long trip, man, anyone could do this. I'm sure you could literally teach a monkey how to drive like a 125cc. They're not hard. Look at this guy's probably gonna wave too. See? It's just... I don't know him either, it's just a respect thing. So right now, I think I know where I'm going. Like, I know where I'm at, and I think I know where I'm going. I'm gonna go show you guys the peanut. Assuming that there isn't... Wait, no, it's Monday. There wouldn't be a motorcycle class going right now. Assuming that no one is on the asphalt behind the DMV up here, I'm going to show you guys what the peanut is. It's probably my favorite activity on the MSF course. And I want to give it a shot on this bike because on the other ones, little Kawasaki, no, Suzuki TU250s. It was fun, but I think it could be a little bit more fun on the Ninja. So you guys are probably wondering, what the hell's the peanut? And I don't know if I'm allowed to go ride it whenever the DMV's open. We'll just take a look back there, check it out. Now this was kind of fun, teaching you your slow speed maneuvering in these blue lines. There's the peanut line. Okay, so to ride the peanut, you have these curves, like these short curves, followed by a long curve. Typically, there is not an obstacle in said curve. So I'll just go around that. And you get up to like 25 in the straight. Slow down enough to make your corner. And they want you to keep a middle, like lane position. Can I get a large number 3, please?
How you doing?
Pretty good, how are you?
I'm alright, that is a nice bike.
Yeah, how the hell am I gonna carry a drink? A bag of food. Right hand, friction zone. Got it. Food on my lap. Crawl forward. Walk around this way. Oh God. Right. And now we switch hands. Put it in gear. Use the bike to help me move. I made a mistake, okay, I know. Wobble to a stop. Kill the motor. And enjoy my lunch. I just finished up with my lunch. And remembered another thing for this kind of unwritten biker code that really should be written. So, along with giving people space, people need to learn to give bikes a little bit more space than they do. Because, you know, we're tiny compared to these cars. I mean, look at that. The license plate on that car alone is bigger than my mirror. Oh, yeah. Wonderful. So yeah, I mean, obviously you don't have to give as much space as I'm giving this black SUV in the left lane here. Seriously, tailgating, whether you're tailgating a car or tailgating a motorcycle, just don't do it. Give yourself at least 2.5 car lengths. Give yourself at least 2.5 car lengths. Another thing that you need to do if you're trying to get into the biking world is you need to respect every single bike that you come into contact with, whether it's a 250 or a 1200cc cruiser. All it takes is a Geo Metro to kill you, okay? So just, be careful. Don't go looking at a 1200cc bike and thinking, oh, I've rode a 250 for 5 years. There's no way I could get hurt on this thing, because you're wrong. There is a way you can get hurt on it, and you probably will. I'm trying to find some good places to take pictures of the bike. That is cool! You see that little trailer? That thing's badass. Did you make it?
No, I wish. We're from Colorado. This is out of a Grand Junction. Is the company that does it?
Okay.
Yeah, it's called Vintage Overland.
Alright.
Yeah. What's your name?
I'm Jerry.
Jerry Tyler.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. It's not even ours. It's my parents, but they let us borrow it. So.
Gotcha. That thing's cool.
It's pretty sweet, man. They make 3 different sizes. This is the biggest one. It weighs about 900 pounds.
Well, there you go.
So it slows us down a little bit, but you can still do 65 in a smaller car like the Subaru. So yeah.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
For sure, dude. It's got some meaty tires on it, too.
Yeah, I think we can take it. So yeah, it's got a queen size bed and
Well, heck yeah.
some lights and a little kitchen area here.
Just stopping for lunch?
Yeah, we just came from Salt Lake. So
Gotcha.
heading up to Oregon. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's got a queen size mattress in it. There's a couple people in there.
Well, heck yeah, man. Stay safe out there.
Hey man, appreciate it. Yeah.
You have a good one. Mr. Two-Wheeled Waffle. Beat that. Yeah, you can have a straight buck 370. I gotta look inside some dude's camper trailer.